Hello guys, welcome to another Black Friday deal at the Google store. Black Friday starts November 18. Pick up the Google Pixel 5a with 5G unlocked for only $399. The retail is $449. Let's do some price comparisons at Amazon. Here you can see Google Pixel 5a selling for close to $500. For a limited time on Black Friday, pick it up for only $399. The Google Pixel 5a features a 6.3-inch display with 6 GB of memory and 128 gigs of storage. (12.2 megapixel rear facing camera and 16 megapixel ultra wide front camera. Thanks for checking out this deal. Subscribe for more awesome Black Friday deals.